Hey, welcome back to Cool Guitar, and let's draw another angry bird, and this time it's going to be Chuck. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's very easy to draw. We're going to start out with his eyes, which is basically two big circles. So it's one circle, just come over a little bit and just draw another one. And then for the inside, I'm gonna shade in here. And then this side, a little bit closer to the middle. Alright, and then from there, we're gonna draw his beak. So right in the middle here, you make a little point, and then I'm gonna slant all the way down. All the way down here. And then once we have that, come up here, you can make two little points, and we're gonna draw the top beak. We're gonna come down, straight to the middle. And then in the center, we can add one line. And then on the corner here, just slant it down slightly toward the center beak. So this is the lower beak. Okay, so that's his mouth, and let's finish up the eyebrows up here. So just go up from the eye in the corner, you can go up. Just curve it all the way out. It goes out pretty far. Same thing here, just come up. And then once you have that, start in the corner. Just flare it out again. Close that off so it's a little bit thicker on the ends. Alright, and then now let's draw in the side of the face first. We're gonna slant it out this way, so just right around from the eyebrow area. Just kind of come down and right around the eyes. So we'll stop right around there. And then let's go ahead and finish up the top. So this one's gonna go up pretty far. So we'll just continue this all the way up. And I'm just gonna round it off at the top. Okay, and then the feathers up here, let's start out with the biggest one. Just start in the middle, just curve it up, and then we'll come back down, make it a little bit wider, and then just kind of tuck it in, give it a nice little flow going this way. Okay, so let's draw another one. So start on the bottom again, curve out, and then this one's gonna curve right behind it. So it's behind this big feather here. Okay, and then one more, smaller one. Again, just tuck it right behind this one. And if you want to add in some details, we can add one line in the center, and then from that center line here, just gonna go out. Alright, so that's the top, and now let's finish up the bottom. So we're going to continue this and finish up the whole body. So just keep going down. This body is a little bit shorter. And then right around here, I'm just going to give it a little bit of these individual fur or feather. So it's kind of zigzag. And then the bottom, just round it off. So it's still one continuous, kind of like a half circle curve. Alright, so now that we have the body, let's work on his arm. So for his arm, I'm going to start right around his mouth area right here. Just come out to the side. Go all the way down, just curve it all the way down, a little bit past the body. And then come back up here. We're going to draw, I guess this would be his thumb. Just come down and go back up first. Okay, so that's his thumb. And then for his other fingers or feathers, we're just going to go up. So it goes right behind the thumb. And let's see, we can add one more on the back here if you like. Just one little angle. Makes it a little bit more complicated. Okay, so then the other side is kind of the same. We can come right across from the mouth. Curve all the way down again. And then come back up here. Again, come down, go up. That's his thumb, and then the other fingers. And same thing here, let's just add one more. Alright, so now we can draw in his legs. So on the side here, just come down first. And then here's the middle, so I'm just gonna curve down on each side. And then to connect this, just gonna zigzag all the way across. Alright, and then for his leg, we're gonna come down, just come all the way down first. So this is gonna be the bottom. I'm gonna curve up and just close that off. So that's gonna be one of his toes. And then the side here, let's draw one more, just come out and then flat. Or you can just go out first and then just round it off. And then to finish off the leg, one more line. Okay, so same thing here. Let's go all the way down. Just come up. Just round it out. Flat on the bottom. Let's go out again. Flat bottom, and then again, if you want to draw it this way, just come out first. Go back in. And then finishing up the leg. Okay, so that's the full body. Now let's draw in the tail. We'll make it look a little bit cooler if we can see part of his tail. So I'm gonna start right around his arm right here. I just go out, and then this is gonna be the very tip of the tail, and we just come back into the body. So we're only seeing part of it. And then now for the feathers on the back, this one's real easy. You can just go out straight first. And then from this corner, just curve it all the way back to this. Let's go one more. Curve, and then come back in. It's gonna be behind this one. Alright, and then a smaller one here. Just come out. Again, it's gonna be behind this feather. And then lastly, one more. Just curve, and just come back with another curve. And that is it for this chuck. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.